Hi everyone, get ready for some exciting news in this video. With MR111, we have introduced balance-dependent renewable bundles in PortaBilling, an absolute must-have for any MVNO. These bundles perfectly complement quotas and wallets, which you're probably familiar with for postpaid customers. They let you combine various services into one neat package, chargeable either as a one-time or recurrent fee if the auto-renewal option is turned on. We've got a lineup of thrilling and useful features coming up for prepaid bundles. Today, we're diving into those you can start using the moment you upgrade to MR111 or later. We'll guide you through configuring bundles with auto-renewal, setting up individual service top-ups or recharges, and assigning them to a product. Let's break down the setup process into easy-to-follow steps. First, we'll create a balance-dependent renewable bundle, a new type we've just added. Next, we'll configure each bundle item. This step involves allocating a fixed volume for each service in the bundle. Then, we'll set up top-ups for each service. After that, we'll create a main product and assign the bundle to it along with other user charges like tariffs. We'll be using a pre-created tariff here. And if you need more details on creating tariffs, do check out our basic and advanced residential VoIP chapters. Finally, we'll create a debit account and link it to the main product with the bundle. So stay tuned and let's get started. Let's dive right in and configure 3 different bundles: Basic, Advanced, and Smart Savings. We'll focus on 3 services: voice calls, data, and SMS. Here's a quick tip. Offering too many bundle options isn't always the best approach. Customers tend to choose bundles that closely match their needs, which means they spend less on expensive top-ups. Also, allowing frequent bundle upgrades and downgrades can impact your profitability negatively. We will assign our bundles to the main products. However, creating add-ons to enhance the main bundle, like 500 minutes to China, is also possible. First, let's navigate to our web UI service catalog bundles. We'll begin with the basic bundle. Let's go to the bundle list and click the Add sign. We'll name it Basic, set the currency to USD, and choose the Euro code group set. I'm using system version MR119. If your version is earlier than MR119, then this will appear as a destination group set. Don't worry, it's the same entity, just with a slightly different name. This bundle will be managed by admin only and will apply when the destination matches the rate exactly. By the way, we delve deeper into lookup options in our advanced residential VoIP chapter, so check that out for more insights. I will of course link it below in the description. For activation or renewal, we'll set a fee of $9.99 and enable auto-renewal on sufficient funds. The bundle will have a 30-day life cycle. Next, let's click Save and configure bundle items for each service. We'll add voice calls with Spain at the code group. In the earlier system version, it is called destination group. Measuring it as service use and allowing a volume of 100 minutes. Here is a crucial part. We'll enable the rollover of unused units to the following bundle cycle. But remember, only one rollover is allowed per cycle, meaning that if the customer has 100 minutes from the first bundle cycle rolled over to the second bundle cycle, any remainder of these 100 minutes will be lost in the third bundle cycle if unused. Keep in mind that during the next bundle cycle, the rolled over units will be consumed first. Moving on to top-up configurations for voice calls, let's set options like 50 minutes for $3.99 and 70 minutes for $4.99 for 7 days each. In notifications, we can configure remaining service volume or top-up volume notifications. In service volume or percentage remaining, let's choose 80%. Next, we have service volume or top-up volume is depleted notifications. Let's turn the toggles for both notifications on, as these notifications encourage users to purchase additional top-ups. And top-up expiration notifications can be configured to be sent, for example, 5 days before the expiration date. You can choose any other number of days, not surpassing the top-up life cycle, of course. Let's repeat the same process for the next bundle item, Internet Access. We'll add Internet Access, select Data and the code group, choose Measure as service used, and set the Allow service volume to 10 gigabytes. If the service volume is used up, we'll choose Limited. Rollovers will be allowed as well. Top-ups of 2 gigabytes for $2.99 and 5 gigabytes for $7.99 will be available. Since we're using percentages, the notifications are going to be exactly the same as for voice calls. Let's click Save and configure our last bundle item, messaging. Choose Spain Mobile as the code group, service used and the measure, and allow 50 messages with rollovers. Don't forget to set the notifications. And there you have it. Our basic bundle is all set up and ready to go. Alright everyone, I've already set up the advanced bundle for $19.99 and the smart savings bundle for $29.99 with the same top-up options as for our basic bundle. Here are the 3 bundles we have so far. Now let's head over to Service Catalog Products. By the way, I absolutely love our simplified main menu. It's so easy to navigate. We're going to create a new main product called Basic. Under Services, we'll add voice calls, internet access, messaging, and mobile service provisioning. We'll only need the latter to instruct PortaBilling to set data provisioning to your MNO provider. I've got some tariffs pre-created for each service, so let's quickly add them. We'll add the tariff incoming for incoming calls with the access code incoming under user charges. Then, we'll add the tariff outgoing for outgoing voice calls without an access code. And of course, we'll include the tariffs Internet Basic and SMS Basic for Internet access and messaging. We can't forget to add our basic bundle to the product. Cool, our product is ready. I have done pretty much the same for our advanced and smart savings products, choosing the corresponding bundles. Let's hop over to our prepaid test customer, Bob Rogers. Under Accounts, we'll create a new debit account, assign the basic product to it, and add $20 to his balance. And I must say, I'm really enjoying our new site sheets. No more getting mixed up between search and create panels. Once we create the new account with a basic product containing the basic bundle, $9.99 is immediately deducted from Bob balance, confirming that the bundle is activated correctly. What you just seen is a game changer in how bundle services are offered and managed in PortaBilling. And guess what? There are even more features on the way. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and stay tuned for more useful content. See you in our next chapter about distributor in PortaBilling.